Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the Flamingo Candles birthday box. This is such a fun concept. Basically, if you have a friend who loves a good candle and you don't know what to get them, then this is basically a ready-made birthday gift of pure joy. It's by Flamingo Candles, who make like the nicest, most fun, lovely candles. And they've basically put together a birthday box. It comes gift wrapped up. It's so adorable. It comes with a birthday card, which they will write for you. And it has treats inside. And it's so cute. It's so lovely. It's £22, so it's like the perfect amount. And I just love it. It's such a fun concept. And yeah, I've got one. So I thought I'd unbox it and show it to you. And if you are ever stuck for a gift for a candle-loving bud, then honestly, I think this is such a lovely treat. Also, the box is customizable, so you can choose between 3 different candle scents and 3 different cupcake scents. So yeah, let me show you what you get. It's adorable. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so the adorableness starts with the packaging. This is how it comes delivered, so you don't even have to wrap it up. How cute is that? I mean, look at that packaging. Look at that wrapping paper. Look at that ribbon bow. It's just so cute. I love it. I told you it was adorable. It's only going to get better as well. So underneath the wrapping paper, we have the Flamingo Candles box, which is again, very cute. Oh my God, look how cute. I am obsessed. Look, even the padding is so cute. I cannot get enough of the attention to detail. Anyway, here is the birthday card. This will be handwritten for your friend with whatever note you want to put on. And then let's look at the treats inside. Honestly, this is such an amazing gift. Look how good this candle is. It's a happy birthday candle that's birthday cake scented. And look at this. Yep. It's as good as you think it is. And it smells so good. It smells like birthday cake, but like the best birthday cake ever. And it's really strong as well, like it's really gonna fill the room. Speaking of which, Flamingo candles are really affordable, but they really fill the room. They're incredible, but this is so fun. It's so cute, but it's not sickly. I love it, it's so good. Like honestly, is that not the most cheerful birthday gift you've ever seen? And there's more, there is more. Oh, and there's 3 different candles to choose from, just so you know. So if you don't like lilac, you can get another colour. The other scents are passion fruit martini and pink lemonade, but I have the birthday cake one. Okay, so next up we have a cupcake scent. These are so cute. It comes in a little presentation box, and basically these are like scented wax shapes. And you can put them in your underwear drawer or your jumper drawer, or you can hang them in your wardrobe off a coat hanger. Or you could even pop one in the bathroom, like looking cute on a shelf, whatever you want. And just wherever it is, it just gives you a lovely scent, and it will just remind you of your birthday, and it's just so cute and lovely. And you know what else you could probably do? You could probably break it up and put it into a wax burner too. But I like to keep mine as a cupcake because I just think they're so cute. Speaking of wax melts, the next thing that we have is 3 wax melts, each in the different scents. So first up we have the birthday cake, which I've already smelt, and it's so pretty. It smells like birthday cake and I love it. Then we have the passion fruit martini, and this one is kind of like sweet. It's kind of like, yeah, passion fruity and kind of like lemonade-y. It's really good. Oh, I love it. And then finally we have pink lemonade. And this one's really pretty as well. I'd say this one is slightly less strong. And I would say it's a bit more lemony and not so passion fruity, but very pretty. Very like tangy. If I had to choose my favourite though, it would 100% be the birthday cake one, because I just love that one. It's so fun, it's so delicious, and it's so, I don't know, it's just so birthday cakey. And you'd think that would be the end of the box, but there's actually one more thing. So finally we have a space mask. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried these before, but they are phenomenal. I was skeptical at first because I was like, what's this gonna do? And honestly, it helps you sleep like nothing else. You open it up, you put it on your eyes, and it just warms up in the most like relaxing and lovely way. It slightly smells of like lavender and just like relaxing things. And honestly, I put it on. I thought it'd be like a nice like 10-minute relaxing thing. I woke up 8 hours later. I was like, oh damn, this really worked. So I would recommend these all day long, and I love the fact that they put one in for us. Anyway, that is the entire box. That is the Flamingo Candles birthday box. I absolutely love it. It's such a treat. It's so fun. It's 100% worth the money. It's just so cute and adorable and thoughtful, and I love the fact that you can customize it. I love the fact that it comes wrapped up. I love the fact that there's a birthday card inside. I just think it's so fun and so adorable, and I'm so happy to share it with you. So that is my video. I hope you like it. I would personally recommend getting it because it's so fun, and I also would say I would get the birthday cake scent because it's so fun, and I love the fact that you can like smell birthday cakes while looking at a candle with sprinkles on top. I mean, what's not magical about that? Anyway, I will link it in the description, but enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.